caging this thing, so we're gonna get after it. I think we'll just make them square. I wish I had an iron worker.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you want to get all the junk out of it, I'll get all these cut. Alright, we just need, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of those. We'll get after it. I got a few here. Alright, we'll drill these things up. Let's find the right drill bit and we'll start punching these things out. Did it correctly, those should bolt to those. Figure out where I want these exactly. Drill some holes, bolt them in, bend some tube. Beautiful. Bolt those down, bend that over, it should be perfect.
Probably enough.
Let's see if that's enough.
Close enough.
Starting to think you're the reason I don't have nice stuff.
Gotta be hard on it. You're gonna have to go to the craftsman stores and get you some new ones.
10, 20. Basically gonna be a 20-degree angle. I'm just trying to figure out what this bend right here is going to have to be to come down into here. I got a plan, sort of. I even have paper. I may draw it out here in a minute. Things are getting serious when we're going to write stuff down. That needs to be a 65-degree bend, the way I'm figuring it. It should roll right into there and be flat there.
I'm gonna go get some bolts and nuts.
Get all this nasty crap off. We got some 1.5 DOM that we're gonna be working with today. We're gonna go 17 inches on the first one. Well, let's run some tube. There's 65. We'll have black hands when we're done. That's the ticket. Right there. Right there's level at the top.
That'd work. That'll give you a little clearance.
Okay. Okay, let's cut that sucker off on an angle and get it set in there. Just like so. Maybe what we ought to do is tack this in place. We went to 90, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Let me fix that. 90 degrees. Get your top back over it.
See what it looks like.
It's going to hit in the front where it's not going to get a true, because it has that lip that hangs.
It goes that far down.
Yeah,
the
so
bottom to
it
top.
hangs down.
Yeah.
So it's going to be an inch kicked up.
But we can tell what the back looked like. Do we need to drill that and bolt that on first?
We can bolt it anytime. Is that what you want? Is that what you had in mind?
Yeah.
Or do you want that to come up? No? Okay. We need some more stuff in the way here today.
I got one if I can get the nut stored, but can't get two hands up under there. Now let me get a nut on it.
Okay. We'll go back to work. 17 inches. Bam. That says we're level. We're going to 72 degrees. I'm happy with that. I guess we're going to build the back one to 90 degrees. Still a skosh high. Needs to be tweaked just a skosh more.
Yeah.
Lift up on it out there. Two identical pieces. They're identical enough. Okay, well, let's move her to the other side and I'll get my welding helmet. We're gonna put this little doodad on here.
So straight up and down.
So we can get both of these right across from each other. Okay, we should be able to lift that up, make a mark. Come down here, make a mark. Are we square? Yep, we're on 0, so should come out. That should fit. Tack it in. I think you want it
Up higher.
right at the top of the roll, so your hard top will come, or your soft top will come
It can come over that.
to that. 75 1/2. 75 1/2. Pretty close, isn't it?
Pretty close.
Okay, your dash bar. Do you want it straight across it and then put a bar on it?
Yep.
Okay. We won't be able to weld this one in because I gotta weld the bottom part in first. I like it. Let's do this. Let's do the minimal thing we can and put like a 10-degree bend in one, just a little.
See what it looks like.
Then we'll cut it off to fit the front, chop the back off, notch it. At least my hands are black. I'm gonna go wash them off so I can start over. All right. What are we cutting it at?
73 1/2.
We'll cut it at 80. 80's gonna give us
a little.
some wiggle room. Okay, now we should be able to figure this out. It's gonna be exactly the same as that. Perfect. We'd have some 15-inch ones down the middle and 16-inch ones down the sides. I wouldn't be bad.
Let's do that.
Okay. Have a little welder gap in the back. That'll make it tougher. Better weld. Okay, now we just got to build another one of those. That one goes there, and that one goes there. Put you at 12 inches in between them.
That's probably not bad, is it?
16 1/2. About as close as it's going to get right there. Yep, let's get the seat brackets bolted and I'll get this stuff. I'll start building these angle pieces. Now, I got a double 45 that end. There we go. Now we got to do the same on this one. We're winning this battle. We're getting things nailed together here. I don't know how much more we'll get done tonight, but I'm gonna get all this finish welded anyways. That's a lot of angles right there.
On angle.
Well, we've got a lot accomplished today, but we both sat down and we ran out of gas. So we're gonna continue this probably tomorrow night. We'll do some more after work. And we'll see if we can get the cage all done. We're gaining on it though. All right, so it's been a minute since we filmed, a couple days, right, Lan?
Yeah.
So the cage is basically built now. Hey, Jace. I gotta do like some bars in here, some in the top. And I think I'm gonna put like a moon shaped piece right here in the corner, and then it's done. We're gaining. We got a lot of little stuff to get tied up, and then Dar can have this thing. Do we just want to angle it like that? Or do we want to come and bend it over to it?
It'd be a lot stronger straight.
Probably would, wouldn't it? I think I'll notch those pieces and set it right in there.
Looks like that'll work.
Freaking perfect. I'm gonna be happy with that. You screw it right on here like this.
Pop it out.
Oh yeah, destroyed.
You get this new one. Just like that.
Really?
Put 25 or 30 in it. Whatever you think.
I hate them when they get up around 80
Yeah.
pounds and you still ain't popped. And you
Yep. Okay. Now we gotta make one just like that one.
Seems pretty good.
Number 2 is built.
Yep. Built. What looks good, and we'll match it to the other side. Maybe a bar right there and a bar right there. Touching in the middle.
Yeah.
And then one right below wherever that falls. That'll be stout. Done. He's running out of pipe quick. It's amazing how fast it eats up pipe. What does that look like? If I put one right there and one right there, then and then I'd have to put one like right here.
Mhm.
Then I could run an X in between those and these. That'd be pretty cool. Make it so if you tipped it over, you wouldn't get a rock down through the top on you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Something like that, huh? You like it?
Yeah. Perfect. Yeah, this thing's looking real nice.
Okay.
That. Hey, Dad, we have a fire.
Get it.
Don't know where it's at.
Where?
Somewhere. In there. I just heard that popping noise.
Yeah. Gas tank.
I'm glad we found that out.
Yeah.
We also had a little fire. That caught on fire.
That was right there on top of the gas tank.
Just
All
a breather
that.
off the gas tank, no big deal.
I-
A lot of welding.
It is.
We're gaining. Closer to being done. We got to go on a date tonight, me and the wife. So I'm done, she says. I got Basically one more bar to cut and weld in, and I think the cage is built. So tomorrow afternoon we'll get after it again, finish it. So we just finished all the roll cage. It's pretty much all done. We're gonna throw some seats in it and go flex it up a little. That's it right there. That twist is pretty fair.
I don't think it'll work, so it actually rolls over.
No.
You don't want to roll it over, dude. We're just seeing. Looks like that's real close. Right there. So we'll be good. Cool. She'll flex. Pull the front one on it. We'll see what it looks like. Looks like everything's gonna work. Right on the ground. Starting to get light right there. She'll twist. Everything seems to clear under here. Took us forever, but we got all that stuff to clear. Yeah, this one's rubbing just a hair. We might have to adjust this
Bar back.
Yeah, no, it's pretty tight right there too. Cool.
Bolting the seat down.
Yeah, just getting it. It's not permanent. We're just getting it so it don't flop around so bad. I built this tranny. This is the first 700 I ever built, so I'm hoping it ships. Yeah. Something screwed up. We'll be dealing with that.
Yeah.
I don't know what it is exactly. We'll drive it through Grandma's ditch. That's pretty much a cakewalk. I don't know what's up with the tranny. It just has first gear. I don't know what it's got going on, but it don't shift, so that sucks.